Alright, y'all boys, man. We are in Walmart right now. We are in Walmart, actually. Walmart. Watch this vlog and y'all understand it. This nigga just did a good deed. He bought a homeless girl some candy. Yeah. She could be homeless, bro. How you know she not homeless?
She might be.
Hey, you never know. It's still a good deed. But, man, we are on the way to Atlanta right now. We are literally still in Virginia. Hey, we're deep in Virginia, too. We're not even halfway close. But, no, we're not taking the Yoda. We're not taking the Lamb. We're not taking the Cat. We're not taking the Camaro. Yo, we are in, appreciate it. We are in the big body 250, nigga. Oh, my pops are there. And you know, I'm the one driving. So, yeah. Shit is finna get crazy. It's like my first time ever driving a diesel. And then I'm driving it cross country. So, yo, I say what's up to the vlog.
What up, Jig?
We do gotta still stop and get gas and shit. So we on the Lucy heist. If y'all know what that mean. If y'all don't know what that mean, y'all gonna understand later. So basically, if y'all know, I got the first, y'all be watching the car channel. I really don't touch it like that.
Drip, say what's up to the vlog. I should say what's up, not hi.
She don't like people, so she gonna watch this video and cuss y'all out in the comment section. What the hell you buying, bro?
Yo.
What is that? I caught my little brother trying to buy a rhino pill, bro.
How much going up there?
Shit, maybe like 120? I'm about to put all this fucking diesel in here, boy, and I bet you this shit not gonna be even close to being full. I got pissed. Alright, YouTube, so man, we gonna cut straight to the chase, bro. Today we are getting the old school back to Virginia, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we standing on straight business, bro. We have to get the old school back to Virginia. We getting the old school back to Virginia, bro.
That old ass car.
You driving that shit back?
Fuck no.
No AC, no heat, no water, no gas, no ass. Damn. But you got window tint though.
Fuck that.
Louie. What's up, Louie?
The ops don't come outside. This street shit is getting old to me. I got the app, buddy.
Who was that? That's your girlfriend?
Yeah. I be fucking her from time to time.
What?
I don't know what this nigga want me to do. Way too cold for this shit. For real. His brain a little little.
I don't know. Gonna start this old ass car, nigga. Switch on over.
Come here, Louie.
This nigga hopped up in his wheel. I got him, woman. Strength. Oh, never mind. They went off.
But I can much my one fuck with you.
Keep driving, bitch.
Nigga think he repo man of the year.
Oh God, I just spoke that nigga up. I said, I'm the repo man or some shit. Then look at this bitch ass nigga come trying to repo some niggas shit. Yo, I'll turn that bitch into a Connect full board. He better stop playing with me. Okay. Oh, that's so.
Yeah, man.
Start it, turn the key on. Everything going. Turn it over. Let it fill up a little bit.
the last attempt before we gotta put this bitch on the damn dolly. Yo, nothing. Alright, y'all, so after attempt, we could not get this old bitch started. So, in the meantime, we finna go get the dolly, try to pull this big guy. And that's why we got the 250. Oh, when I launched that bitch, went in the back seat. So yeah, we're on the way to get the damn dog now. And pull this old bitch back home. He wrapping that thing up snug as fuck, ain't it?
No bullshit.
He glazing that bitch. Straight cheese glaze. The fuck? This fucking snow bunny ass nigga.
It's cold out here for all night, huh?
You gotta get you a bubble jacket, bro. I don't even feel cold.
Take it back off.
Why?
Strap. They had the straps already in the hook.
Oh, so how you
So we want them to lay that way. They wrap around the tie.
do you want to drive it a little bit and try to get in the street and then?
Yeah.
Oh. Hold the brake, Mark. Got her ass in the cup. I don't know how to work this shit.
Alright, y'all, so we got Lucy all loaded up. We got the diesel all loaded up and shit, man. My camera's on 3%, so I'm gonna try to charge it while I'm on the road, but if that don't happen, it is what it is, man. But we all loaded up and we are ready for Virginia, bruh. My crib is literally down the street, so yeah. Long way to go. Look at his bitch ass. What's that, nigga? Alright, y'all, so this is a quick update of what the fuck going on. So basically, we parked the truck in the car at my mama's house last night. Then we decided to load it up at my grandma's house. We're gonna put it over there. I don't even know where to start. Basically, we got that shit. We got that shit right there. We was about to put that shit back there under there. That got stuck. We had to take that off. That was right there. So this big truck pulled that right there. Then that's right there. Now that right there. Now we about to use that to pull this out and put that back where that gotta go. Then we gonna try to get that to pull that back out because this weak ass 250 got stuck. All right, damn, that was a whole lot. And we use that to go get that, and yeah, it's a lot. So we just pulled this with this. All right. Get on the four wheeler.
Yeah, yo shit.
Where the fuck I'm gonna go with this motherfucker?
Hold on.
Oh, might I add? It's fucking snowing, buddy. Might I fucking add?
Just pull up here. Like, I tell you what, look, pull it up there. You want to pull up there, Leon? Pull it like that way so y'all can hook right back up to it. That's good. You go back over there with him.
Alright.
Back up sometime.
We can try it. Alright, so we're about to pull this goddamn. Take a chance with this fucking four wheeler trying to pull this 250. Fucking hands freezing, my nigga. I ain't gonna lie. It's cold as a bitch. So far, this little shit done pulled the damn Cadillac and the damn the Dolly. You finna see it. Finna try ass on the 250. Well, my hands colder than a bitch. Hands colder than a bitch. Yes.
You gonna have to go tighten up a little bit, tighten the strap up. Go ahead, Tay, go ahead, go. Back up, Tay, back up. All right, hold up, put an L. Hold up. You ready, B? Go ahead, Tay, go, let's go. He like that. He like that. Huh? Back up and snatch again, Tay. All right, hold on. Go ahead, L, Tay. Go ahead, Tay. Hold on. Go ahead, Tay. That bitch gonna come in on second. Diesel. Go now, let's go. Here, that. You like that shit, though?
That bitch hurt like a motherfucker when I yank her ass, though.
Oh.
We didn't look like we dented the truck up a little bit. Look between the S and the U. A little bit. Alright, want me to move it forward? see some country content, man, let me know in the comment section down below. We got the Caddy right here, bro. God damn. My old school Cadillac. So I had to get off my Polaroid. We got this fucking big ass fucking truck right here. The I don't know, we're gonna call her Big Bertha. And we got Miss Stucky bitch right here. You know, let's shut this fucking shit out the way. Okay. That ain't my brand. Huh? Alright. Said turn the wheel straight. Oh shit. Alright now. What we doing? Hold the brake in reverse? Alright. What you mean? I ain't want to hit that stump right there. I was trying to turn it. But I ain't want to hit that damn stump. Which one? I can't get right there. Oh, okay. Bet. She said.